So, good morning, my fellow subscribers of my YouTube channel. It is currently 10 p.m. AM, and we are going to go to Akihabara today. We are out today before 12. Michelle's in a great mood. We're getting ready to work. She's giving bombastic side eyes. He wants to attack me. I don't know why. So we had to walk back because Michelle forgot her phone. We should be reaching the Egg Baby Cafe at 10 minutes time. It's only a couple of stops more. I didn't really record, but basically I just went to the mosque, which is like 5 minutes away. It was really close. Tokyo, very Muslim friendly. There's a lot of facilities and stuff, which is incredible. So we keep looking for cat calendars.
I want the cat calendar. That's not a cat calendar.
Bro, what is this?
You are distracted. We're waiting for Harry's or Azri's friend Emil. And he is right there.
What are you doing, bro?
Konnichiwa.
Salam. What are you doing?
Yeah. So we're gonna be eating Japanese curry today. It's a Sri Lankan style here. Obviously it's halal.
Obviously, what does that mean?
Here it is. Kotlette. Arigato gozaimasu. This is just like the anime.
So we basically found an abandoned vending machine, like little site here. There's heaps of really weird, like there's like beetles and like weird trinkets and drinks. Yeah, that's probably been here like 20 years.
Yeah. Oh, what's a nice number?
27.
7. That's a big drop. Let's see. All right.
Ah! It's getting it.
Oh.
I swear they're like CDs or something.
Shit. I hope it's like porn.
Huh? Wow, so much exciting. Oh, it's a snack. Oh, it's a teddy bear snack.
It's a turtle.
Huh? What?
Ohayo gozaimasu. Snack.
How many years old is it? Does it say best before or something?
It was like 2024.
Ah, okay, so it's not expired. Best before 2024.
2024.
I'm coming up.
June 2024, you're good.
Hey guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe. So we found out this place is about $45 per person for your first time here. We got a $20 registration fee.
And we also buying these two cool looking t-shirts, which honestly, I mean they're appealing, but considering we have to pay $100 just to climb here and another $100 on the t-shirts.
マットと壁との間には隙間の空いている部分があります。十分注意してください。
What are you doing there?
Hey guys, so we're here at V Pump Boulders. They're a very famous Tokyo branch out here in Japan.
Australia. Buddha's been to Australia. Interesting concept. 6-degree climbing.
Alright, actually. Yeah.
Hill on your right. Ah.
Mama. There's another hold on, wait, on the same hold. There's another one there. Okay. You wanna go?
I'm addicted.
You should go to.
来た来た。あの日はあなたどこもうあなたたちは別のところ。
So right now, this guy is making us one of the best kebabs in all of Tokyo. The best, better than Turkey. Better than Turkey, cheaper than Turkey.
Brother.
Beautiful.
Yes, not their choice. It's our choice. You know that? That's it.